Alright, so at the moment I've got a print on the bed where I needed to feed some cables through a channel so that I can put an LED light on the left hand side and right hand side of this object. So what I did is I paused the print, quickly glued in those LED lights and then soldered these connections over here, and I just made a little groove on the outside over there and I glued the cables out. I've made sure that the cables are as low as possible so that when the print head starts moving over it, again just now, it's not going to interfere with the cables, or they're not going to get in the way of the nozzle. And now I'm going to quickly continue the print and let this complete. Reason behind all of this is once this entire system or this object is printed, it's probably going to stand about 80 or 90 millimeters off the ground, and it'll be very difficult to glue LEDs and solder these LED wires in place, pushing a soldering iron all the way down into the middle of the shaft. So I've paused the print, I've just done the soldering and the connecting up. Now I'm going to tell it to resume and load filament 3. All I did is I went onto the system, I pressed the knob and I told it that I wanted to change filament. I've got an MK3S from Prusa, so it loads filaments in that for me automatically. There we go. I'll just grab pliers quickly. And it's going to ask me now if the filament is loaded correctly, and then hopefully it will continue printing straight over that without interfering with the top of the object I'm busy with. Let's have a look. Alright, here we go. So I think what I'll do is I'll quickly stop this video and then I'll continue just now, and you can see how we're progressing. Right, so I've removed that part from my printer, and I've already connected over here quickly temporarily, and you can see I have to grab a torch here. You can see the pieces are inside there, and the lights do all work. So now it's just a bit of cable management that I need, and all sorted. And that's basically how you can print around LED lights, or hard cabling within a part. I did another print recently where I printed Easter eggs, and then I had to put money on the inside of the Easter eggs so that it would be concealed, and really comes out well. So I hope that helps you. Cheers.